Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel today, where I'm here helping you grow something tasty. All right, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I save my seeds, and I'm going to go over some seed saving ideas to help you out with your saving of your seeds and helping you save some money. All right, so I just ate my nice, tasty yellow watermelon that I just harvested a couple days ago. Here are some of the seeds. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I do to save these seeds. All right, let's go. All right, I'm gonna pour them in my little container. I'm gonna get all my seeds out. Now I like to, of course, clean my seeds, and the way I clean my seeds is by soaking them. So I'm gonna run the water over it a couple times, like this. These come in handy, my little strainer, so I don't drop my seeds everywhere. Back in the past, I used to hold my hand right here. That didn't work so great, but if I didn't have this, better believe I will be using my hand. All right, so I'm gonna strain the water out just like that. And I like to do that a couple times. And I see the top of at the very top, I can see that the meaty flesh that's left from my watermelon. So that's one reason why I like to do this, because it'll stick to the strainer. All right, so next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill this up about halfway with water, and I let these soak for several hours. I'll tell you the truth, I'll let mine soak for a night. You don't have to do it that long, but I want to make sure I get all that sticky, icky off, that juice. So I don't want to save that when I store my seeds away. So I'm gonna set that up on my counter right here, and I have two bowls that I saved my seeds in on yesterday. So this is the rest of my yellow watermelon seeds. All right, so let me drain that out. And if a couple drop, I don't too much worry about it because I got a lot of seeds already. And this is my honeydew melon. Oh man, that honeydew melon was great. This was my first year growing honeydew melon. I still have a couple more out there that's not ready, but they're close to be ready to harvest. So I'm gonna go ahead and save these seeds so I can save some money. So now I don't have to worry about buying seeds all over again. All right, so what we're gonna do now is go over to the table, and I'm gonna show you what we do for the rest of the way so we can go ahead and get these things saved. All right, let's go. All right, so now I have my area where I have my paper towel. I like to have paper towel on top of one another. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take out my seeds, and I like to spread them out because I don't want them being dried on top of one another. So this is how I dry my seeds out, and I leave these, once again, I leave these overnight like this. Sometimes I'll even leave them a day or two, but they'll already be dry. All right, so now I'm gonna take my honeydew seeds, get them to come on out. Do the same thing. I am going to spread these over the paper towel, and makes it very easy to make sure that you don't have them on top of one another. So just spread them all out. They'll dry a lot quicker. But like I said, I'm not in a rush because I let them dry like maybe a day or two, even though they should be fairly dry by then. All right, so I got that there, and all I do is set it to the side. Now I do have a paper towel where I had some of my melon seeds right here, and normally they'll be stuck together. So all you do is take your hand and move it around just to get them off. And so what I like to use next in my successful seed saving tips, I like to use the snack bags. All right, so when I use the snack bags, what I normally do is get my Sharpie marker, and I go ahead and I label what these seeds are, because you don't want to get your seeds mixed up. So what I do, I put the year 2022, and I know these are Crimson Sweets. seeds. And if you haven't seen me harvest the Crimson Sweet, I'll put a card in the corner. So if this is your first time looking at any of my videos, you can click that card and you can look at that monstrous watermelon. It was humongous. All right, so let me put sweet. And now all I got to do is open it up. Come on, bag. All right, there we go. And all I'm gonna do is slide these in. And the good thing about these bags is that I'm gonna seal it and it's gonna be airtight. So now I know that I harvested these seeds in 2022, and I will go back and look because I like to rotate my seeds. All right, so I do have some seeds that are from, I know it, I didn't write on the bag, but it says yellow melon 2018. So these are my yellow 2022 seeds that I just harvested. So I'm gonna rotate these seeds to the trash because this is in 2018. I normally keep my seeds 3 or 4 years. So I have enough of these and I'm gonna have more. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of those. So that's what I mean by rotating my seeds. I don't want to have seeds. I do have a lot of seeds and I'm gonna have to go through here and do the same thing. All right, so this will help you. Now for storage, let me talk to you about storage. Now, after I seal them up, I'll put them in a container. And this is a container that I used to have a lid on top of it, but you see I got a lot of seeds coming out the top. All right, so in the past, I used to take this little seed tray with a top. I should put it on top of it, and I'll seal it, and then I'll put it in my refrigerator. All right, so it works, and I had a lot of success doing that, but then I wanted to say, hey, let me see if I can leave some of these seeds out. So one year, several years ago, I sealed it just like this, and then I used this bag, but this bag wasn't that filled to the brim yet. And I said, let me try putting it in my closet. So I put it down at the base of my closet. Sometimes I put it in the shelf. But I didn't see any problem with my germination the following year or the year after that. So I stopped putting this in my refrigerator, especially when we go grocery shopping and I got to try to fidget and put all the groceries up, and this was getting in the way. So if it wasn't hurting my seed germination, I said I might as well just keep them in this big bag and do it that way. So that's what I decided. But if you still want to put it in the refrigerator, you probably will get 5 years if you're going to keep saving the seeds, or maybe even longer. But I didn't notice too much of a difference when I start saving the seeds in the bag right here, and then put them in my closet, and you can put it in a dark area. I didn't see a difference. So I don't put mine in the refrigerator, but if you want to put them in the refrigerator, that's cool to do so. I had success doing it that way. So this is how I save my seeds. And about the rotation, I want to make sure that I don't have piles and piles of seeds for like 6-7 years. I'm still gonna be growing a lot of the same type of varieties. If I want a different variety, then I go out and buy that seed or whatever, but I don't have to keep buying the same thing over and over. That's why saving your seeds is very, very important. All right, so I like to save money, and that's why I choose to do this. And it's so cool that I can go ahead and plant something, go through the steps, save it, clean it, and then soak it, and then go ahead and put them in the bags and label them, and I got seeds for life. All right, so that's why I like doing that. All right, so if you have any suggestions, or if you have any ideas of how you save seeds, if you save them differently, you can put them in the comments, and feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can get more content like this, and I'll see you next time. All right, this is Bear Brown. Have a great, wonderful day. Bye.